Today, we're looking at how to use national campaigns to promote how you work. Now, this is the Law Society, and they use social media very much as a way of engaging with their audience. So, obviously, what they want to do is engage with accountants and anyone else within those fields as part of the law. Now, they kind of used, I guess, a national holiday or a national or international even campaign, which was a hashtag International Women's Day. And what they did was they knew that everybody would be talking about obviously that topic over that time because obviously it was a huge thing to discuss. And they had a portrait of the first female solicitor ever, made up by over 1,000 photos of women in law. And whilst I guess they're talking also about closing the gender gap by supporting more women within the senior roles within the law and within the legal industry, it is a really incredible thing to do because it is timely. It shows you that it's been over 100 years since she was admitted as the first female solicitor. Did you know that women now make up 53% of practicing solicitors? So they're showing that it's progressing, but it's maybe still needs some work. And I think just putting all of those things together, of real women in a legal job or in a legal role across the UK is just incredible. It's a really, really lovely thing to do. So I think it's all about showing what they stand for. They used a national campaign, I guess, to highlight it. And so I guess, even if you've created a pledge to do something, or if there's a national day that you can get behind, make sure that you do, because things like this, it's just a really good way of going, wow, we can really hook in our content. We can really focus our efforts on using an international hashtag, and it means that it's topical. So someone's going to be talking about it at that point. Now, if I was these guys, one of the things I'd want to do, if I spent a lot of time on my social media, I would want to go into the my reports and understand really, really quickly how well I was performing on social media. So I would go to maybe tech and go to listening and insight summary. And then here I can pull down like a full report, but then here I can see at a glance how I'm performing. So it shows you everything through from followers to number of engagements to a number of engagements per day. So I know if I'm posting X and I'm generating Y, then I can understand actually, is my content working? Is it not? And where I can tweak, if you like. And then I can even see my best post. I can view my calendar and I can schedule in even more wonderful content. Now, as always, if you have any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.